Hello, Mr. Sundram. What are you doing?
I'm using my phone.
You're using mobile phone?
Hmm.
Why?
It's my mobile. What I will use anyhow.
This is your mobile.
It's my mobile.
It means this is your mobile. Then you will use whole day only mobile.
Not using whole day mobile.
Actually,
Where did
whenever
you see
I'm just
that?
looking you, you are using only mobile.
Not using the mobile
It
phone.
means you are addicted with mobile.
Not detected mobile. It's my mobile. What I do.
It
What's your
means
problem?
this is mobile. Your mobile. It means you will use whole day.
How did you see that I'm using it the whole day?
No, whole day. Whenever I'm just coming here, I'm just looking. You are using mobile.
I'm using it for useful things, not for
Okay,
wasting
tell
my
me
time.
which types of useful things you are just using here. Tell
My
me
online study I'm doing and many things on internet,
which
social
subject
media,
you are doing online? Tell me.
GS,
GS. What is GS? Tell me.
journal study.
Journal study.
Yes,
Okay, journal. What you are understanding? Banyan means.
I'm thinking about that banana tree.
Yeah. You are thinking banana tree. Okay. Okay. So what are you doing here right now? Using. So you studying or any other things you are looking there?
This time I was not studying. I was using just watching my YouTube.
You are watching you. Okay. On YouTube channel, which teacher you are just liking very most? In your GS subject, as you just told here, I'm just preparing for GS. I'm using mobile for GS.
Preparing for this, I'm seeing the classes that recently I've completed my 12th. So I'm seeing many teachers are teaching.
So
Here.
what are you what is your plan after the 12? What will you do?
There is not too much plan, but after doing 12th, I thought that I must do BCom. While that, I used to do something for a
Are you feeling hesitation to speak English language and communication? Why are you feeling hesitation?
in front of camera, sir.
In front of where is the camera? Camera is there and you are here. Camera is there. Okay, camera is here. And what is doing camera here? It is disturbing you.
No, first I'm on camera, no, sir.
There is no one. There is no one.
There is
One camera there is, and you are
there is
saying,
hesitation, sir.
no hesitation, not for the camera.
Never ever I stand in before camera, sir. I'm hesitating.
I think this is excuses.
No, this is not excuses. First time I'm standing in front of camera and speaking.
First time you are standing, so speak something. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Support that there is so many students, okay, and watching your video. There are so many students watching your video, and they are watching for the improving English language and communication. So what do you want to say? How they do just practice, and after that they will be more better in English speaking. So what suggestion will be yours?
To improve your English language.
Look there and just say.
To improve your English language.
Look there, as you said. Yes, look there.
We must study more and more word meanings. Word meaning improve our language speaking too much because there are many words, difficult words to speak in English languages. We must first of all we should read about the word meanings. What powers are more important?
So what are you thinking about the translation, grammars, basic grammar and translation? What are you thinking about it? As you are just focusing on the only word meaning, you are suggesting only try to improve word meaning. So translation is not important.
Translation is important, but word meanings are too much important. Without that, that are root of English languages.
Yes,
To speak English, we must know about the word meaning.
Means you are agree with the translation. Translation is also important.
Second step.
First step is
word meaning.
What are you thinking about reading skill? Suppose that I don't know reading skill, how to just read the English language, how to just pronounce the English language. Then it is easy for me to learning English speaking or not?
It is too much important to read. First of all, we must read. If we know how to read any sentences, it will make easier to speak English language.
So you mean if suppose that I want to just speak English language better, if I don't know English language, it is my starting time, beginning time, then I need to improve my reading.
Yeah. First of all, we have to improve our reading. If we will not read, we don't know how to reading any sentences. How can we speak English language?
In English speaking, the most important, if you are learning, you are just getting the knowledge, you are receiving the knowledge, receiving the information, reading the word meaning, doing the practice on the translation. it is not only enough to improve your English skill. You have the need to just take a dare to speak English in front of public, in front of the camera. Try to communicate. If you have the lots of the knowledge, but you are not trying to just communicate to others, then really you will face the challenges. Really, you will feel hesitation there. So if you want to kill your hesitation, fear, shyness, these all things, then let's try to just speak. Try to just communicate. Communication can boost your confidence, and your confidence will give you more skill to elaborate and speak English language in the better way. So speak and communicate. Whenever you are just finding the chance, try to speak. The most of the students, they are just only busy in the reading, translation, word meaning. They are listening, but they don't have the dare to speak in the front of public. So take a dare to speak. Go and talk with strangers personality, strangers people. Then it will be good. What are you thinking about it? What am I telling you?
I'm thinking about that you are talking about stranger persons, but where we will get that stranger persons who know the English language very well?
Yes,
We,
you
we have to find
you have the need to search.
where we can get that.
In a week, one day you go in a park, railway station, bus stand, in mall. There you can find a stranger person and try to talk. And really you can find someone who will just talk with you in English language.
I think this is wasted of time.
No, this is not wasted of the time. If you're really eager for improving your English language, your communication, then you have the need to do it. This is not wasted of your time.
There is no any other thing to improve our English language.
Yes, there is many things that by you can improve your English language. By telecalling. By telecom, there are so much app as like that Open Talk app you can download, and there is by internet you can just connect most of the strangers people, new strangers people. You can just connect there. But physical communication and online communication is a different. So communication most important, and if you want to improve your communication, then go and interact with physical person. Offline, you just try to just talk. Both equal, you try to do practice. Then really your English will be improved.